Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect with you across time and space. I'm happy that you would join me. If you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, fed up with life, fed up with yourself, fed up with other people, insecure, lonely, depressed, craving, feeling all kinds of uncomfortable sensations, thoughts, emotions, worries about the future, feeling numb, restless, tired, hungry, or perhaps even joyful, peaceful. Here to remind you that no matter what you feel, that you're not alone and that it's okay. Okay to not feel okay sometimes, to feel a little cloudy inside. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can bring in some light, some sunshine. Becoming aware of your body, aware of how you're sat. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, witnessing and welcoming any thoughts, tension, anger, self-hatred, shame, welcoming it all like old friends. You know, me and fear go way back. Me and anxiety go way back. Me and anger go way back. Relaxing the shoulders. Letting go of tension in the face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing the hands and feet as you feel the stillness of the ground beneath you. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in fully and completely. And exhale. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of fear. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of the anger. Breathing in grounded energy. And as you exhale, feeling aware. Aware of your body. Letting go of any tensions in the belly. And as you breathe in, I want you to breathe in with your full body. Inhaling. Every cell in your body exhaling. Dropping the shoulders. Bringing a smile as you breathe in. And breathe out. Breathing in with awareness. And exhale with love. Letting go of negativity, saying goodbye to the inner critic, just for now. Putting to the side self-hatred, coming back into self-love, self-appreciation as you breathe in and breathe out. Full body breathing in. Cell, exhale. Breathing in slower and softer. Exhaling, relaxing, letting go. Softening the face, opening your chest. Feeling a warm energy pouring into the chest, melting away tension, melting away worries, coming back into faith that everything is unfolding as it should, for your benefit, for your greatest good, even when it's impossible to understand how or why. Having that trust in a greater intelligence that's moving through all situations, blessing us in so many different ways. Letting this feeling of trust spread through your body, becoming bigger, becoming more luminous, spreading up the spine all the way to the top of the head, feeling more light, more spaciousness, more awareness. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, becoming aware as you hold the breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. Coming back into the body, having more appreciation for your body as it is, more love for your mind as it is, more love for the emotions, even the unpleasant ones, recognizing that they bring their own teachings, their own messages. Feeling alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. letting this feeling of aliveness course through your body, bringing inspiration, bringing creativity, bringing joy, bringing the awareness of all the opportunities that are already here, all the choices that we have, all the possibilities. As you breathe in, and breathe out. Inhaling and exhaling with awareness. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling love for others, love for this life. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body, as you come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Breathing in peace. And exhaling, release, let go. Feeling centered in this moment. The color for today is magenta. The number is 50, and the animal is a flamingo. Becoming present, becoming aware of how you feel, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of what you're going to do next. And you can gently open your eyes and smash that subscribe button. I'm just playing. I told my partner that I would say that at the end of the video, but I can't even take myself seriously saying that. But thank you for all the subscribers, for real. Thank you for all the people watching this and listening today. I love you. Sending good energy. Sending you a big hug, my dear friend. I appreciate your presence. Your presence is a gift. Remember that. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.